Chemical bonding, video 1, chemical bonding, some important problems. So question number 1, an atom of an element A has 3 electrons in outermost shell. A have 3 electrons in outermost shell, and that of B has 6 valency electrons, 6 electrons in the outermost shell. Then the formula of the compound formed when AB react. When AB react, then what is the formula formed? So A have 3 valency electrons. So A have 3 valency electrons. So A valency, A oxidation state must be plus 3. So valency of A is 3. Valency of A is 3. And if you take B, B valency electrons 6. That means this is a sixth group. If it gain 2 more electrons, gain a inert gas configuration. So its valency 2. Its valency 2. So A atom 3 electrons can easily lose. B atom, if it is gain 2 electrons, get octet hole. So that's why A valency 3, B valency 2. B valency 2. Both will be reacted just to crisscross method. Crisscross method, A to B3. A to B3 is the formula. Next question. Next question number 2. If Na plus ion is larger than magnesium plus 2. If Na plus ion is larger than magnesium plus 2 ion, and S minus 2 ion is larger than Cl minus ion, which are the following will be least soluble in water? Which can least soluble in water. See, if you see option A, they have given sodium chloride, option B sodium sulfide, option C magnesium chloride, option D, option 4 D is magnesium sulfide. The question is which is the least soluble in water? Least soluble in water. If you see, least soluble means more covalent. Least soluble means more covalent. Least soluble in water. That means that is more covalent. Indirect question is more covalent. Why? Because water is polar molecule. So water is polar. Ionic compounds widely soluble in water. So more ionic compound can be more soluble in water. But the question is least soluble in water. Least soluble means less ionic. Otherwise more covalent. Or least ionic. The question is least ionic or more covalent. So the question I am repeating. Na plus ion is greater than magnesium plus 2 in the size, and S minus 2 ion size is greater than Cl minus ion. Then the question is which is least soluble in water? Option A sodium chloride, B sodium sulfide, magnesium chloride and magnesium sulfide. Now least soluble in water means that is more covalent or least ionic, because water is polar. So ionic compounds more soluble in water. So if you see among the given options, so magnesium plus magnesium sulfide. Here magnesium is plus 2, sulfur is minus 2. So small size, more charge, cation charge if more, and anion charge, if negative charge increases, covalent character increases. So this is more covalent because magnesium plus 2. Cation charge is more, anion charge is negative, is increases, covalent character increases. Next question. Magnesium sulfide is more covalent. Next question. lattice energy of NaCl is X. If the ionic size of A plus 2 is equals to A plus 2 size is equal to Na plus, and B minus 2 size is equal to Cl minus, then lattice energy of AB. Then lattice energy of AB is what? The question is lattice energy of AB. If you see here, sodium is plus 1, Cl is minus 1. If you see charges in the case of NaCl, lattice energy charges, if you multiply charges of cation and anion, Na plus 1, Cl minus 1. So 1 into 1 equal to 1. So that one lattice energy equal to, they have given X. Then in the case of AB, A is plus 2 and B is minus 2. So that's why 2 into 2 charges must be multiplied. So 2 into 2 equal to 4. So that means for 1 into 1, 1x. Then 2 into 2, 4 means that value is 4x. The value is 4 times of x. In the case of NaCl, 1 into 1 equal to, the given value is x. But in the case of AB, A charge plus 2, B charge minus 2. So multiply the charges, 2 into 2 equal to 4. So the lattice energy of AB is 4 times of NaCl. Next to question number 5. CuCl is more covalent than NaCl. Then NaCl. So copper chloride more covalent than NaCl. If you see in the case of copper chloride, here copper plus 1 and ClO minus 1. In the case of NaCl, Na plus 1, Cl minus 1. Here copper plus 1 follows pseudo inert gas configuration. Pseudo inert. Whereas Na plus is inert gas configuration. Inert gas. Generally, the cation with pseudo inert gas configuration is more covalent. The cation with inert gas configuration is more ionic. So this is more ionic, this is more covalent. That is the reason. And also one more reason, copper plus 1 have more polarizing power. Copper plus 1 size is less. If you observe size here, copper plus 1 have least size than Na plus 1. So it have least size have more polarizing power. So the size of copper plus 1 is less than Na plus 1. So the least size cation have more polarizing power. If more polarizing power increases, the tendency to attract anion increases. Anion electron density increases. That means the covalent character is increases. So polarizing power is directly proportional to covalent character and inversely proportional to ionic character. So polarizing power directly proportional to covalent character and inversely proportional to ionic character. So copper plus 1 is more polarizing power. So that's why it is more covalent. Copper chloride compound is more covalent. Next question. Question number 6. Select the most stable structure of COCl2. Most stable structure of COCl2. This is the 2016 TS. Most stable structures Option 1. Negative charge. Option B, option 2. So among these following options, which is the most stable structure for COCl2? So if you see, always the conditions for more stable structure, the atoms in the given molecule, in the given structure, each atom must be following octet rule. To get to stability. And number 2, neutral species are more stable. Neutral species are more stable than charged species. And the second one is following octet rule, and also following valencies of each atom. See, if you see here in the first option, here oxygen is negative charge, chlorine is a positive charge. Here chlorine valency 1, but here there are 2 bonds. That means chlorine forms 1 bond generally, but in this case there are 2 bonds. And also chlorine is more electronegative than carbon. So here chlorine have positive charge is unstable. Always the element with less electronegative must be positive charge. More electronegative atom positive charge is unstable. So that's why this structure is unsuitable for COCl2. And if you see in this case, all atoms are following octet rule here, and also here 2 plus 2 plus 2, here 2 plus 2 superoctet, and also carbon with positive charge with 4 bonds is okay. But here there are charges, positive negative charges are exist, and around the oxygen 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, total 10 electrons is not possible. Around the oxygen 10 electrons are not possible, so it is also not obvious. Now if you see about the 3, this is the neutral space, there is no charges. And also if you observe octet rule, oxygen 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. So oxygen following octet rule. And carbon, here total 4 bonds, 2 plus 4 bonds mean each bond 2 electrons, 1 2 3 4, 4 bonds mean 4 to 8. So following octet rule. And also chlorine, here 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8, following octet rule. And this chlorine 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus this 2 electrons in the bond 2 electrons, following octet rule. So that's why the most stable structure is this is a neutral structure, and also following octet rule each atom in the given molecule. So we will consider this.